Good morning, people. Just in case for some people who don't believe that this is true, well, I'm out here with truth. This is my truck. I was an owner-operator. Well, I still am. But I'm in need of your contributions for this vehicle. You know, I can only do so much, but I really need you guys' help in this campaign to make things happen. During the time of 2016 and 2017, I set up contributions, or should I say fundraisers, or I donated to try and help the people through this. I want to get back into doing that, and I'm sure, matter of fact, I guarantee that you guys could help me out. My engine is busted up in this truck. I kid you not. I was with a company, but they couldn't produce the funds to help me. But it's all good. This is my truck. This is my truck right here. And as you can see, the parts and stuff is off of the truck. Yeah, the parts and stuff is off of the truck. And I'm really looking forward to getting back in this thing. You know, it's a great truck, you know. And you know, it's a great truck. Oh shoot, I locked it. And they are almost they're halfway through with it, but here's the thing. As you can see, we ran out of funds, and we really need your help, you know, restoring this engine back together, you know, putting all of this stuff back in. We need your help. We desperately need your help. And if you could, whew, it's a little ice out here. Once again, if you could make your contributions to GoFundMe.com/diesel GoFundMe/diesel-repairs. That's GoFundMe.com/diesel-repairs. Thank you very much. And remember, your contributions mean a whole lot. Thank you very much again.